If you're looking for the best free online audio to text generator, then you have clicked on the right video, because in this video, I'm going to show you the best free online audio to text generator that you can use with $0. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So in this case, I'm just going to simply open my Chrome browser and then search for a website called Uniscribe. And it should be this website right over here. Click on it. And as you can see, here's the website. I'm just going to simply go onto my dashboard. Uniscribe is the best because it gives you up to 120 minutes on a free plan, which is really great. And it's easy to use and doesn't take time. And as you can see, you can easily create a new project, or rather convert a new audio to text by simply clicking on the new button and then upload file, and then browse the file, and then click on the photos and videos, and then scroll down, select the audio you'd like to convert to text, select it, and it's going to start processing your audio and then uploading your audio. And then you can simply transcribe that particular audio. And as you can see, it has subscribed, or rather, sorry, it has converted my audio to text. And as you can see, here's the text right over here. So why I say Uniscribe is the best, it's beginner friendly, it's easy to use, and it gives you up to 120 minutes with a free plan. You don't have to pay for anything, just sign up and start converting audios to text. It's as simple as that. So that's why I say it's the best. So if you have been looking for a free online audio to text converter, then you can start using Uniscribe. It's the best, and I can show you that it's really easy to use. So I'm going to simply leave a link to Uniscribe in the description below so you can easily check it out. So you can easily use my link in the description below. It's going to help me out. So that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.